Okay, so with these questions, we'll start with question 8. We're working with more than one loci at the same time. So question 8, use the Argand diagram to find the values of z that satisfies these two equations. So mod z equals 5 and arg z plus 4 equals pi over 2. Right, so let's work out what those are. You should be happy now that that's going to be a circle, center 0, 0, radius 5. And you should also be happy writing that down directly as a Cartesian equation, which looks like that. For this one, remember what we need to do here is put it in the general format first of all, which is arg of z minus a complex number. So that in there would be okay, that's the same thing, minus times minus 4 is plus 4. And that as a standard loci is half line from minus 4, 0, angle pi by 2 to positive real axis. Okay, so we've got a Cartesian equation of a circle. We haven't got the Cartesian equation for that yet, but we'll get that fairly quickly once we've drawn the Argand diagram. So let's get the Argand diagram sketched. As with all of these, it's just going to give you a sense, so you haven't got to worry about drawing it accurately. It's just a sketch. So we've got a circle here, center 0, 0, radius 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to go through there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to go through there, 3, 4, 5. It's going to go through there. So if I just sketch a lovely circle like so, minus 5, 5, real, imaginary. So that's mod z equals 5. And then my other loci is this half line from minus 4, 0, and an angle of pi by 2. Well, pi by 2 is 90 degrees. So that orange line there is arg z plus 4 equals pi by 2. And what we're trying to do is find the value of z, the complex number that satisfies both of those loci. Well, that's going to occur there and only there. Alright, so to actually find out the complex number represented by that point, because it's just a sketch, we can't read it off the diagram. We've got to solve simultaneously. We can see now the Cartesian equation for this is just going to be x equals minus 4. So this is x equals minus 4. So if I call that equation 1 and I call that equation 2, then what we do now is substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So we get minus 4 squared plus y squared equals 25. 16 plus y squared is 25. Y squared, you take that over and you're going to get 9. So y is going to be plus or minus 3. You can't just ignore the minus, you've got to be able to justify it, that we can ignore it, and because from the Argand diagram it's clear that P is positive, y equals 3. So I know that y equals 3, I know that x equals minus 4, therefore at p the complex number is going to be minus 4 plus 3i. Oops, off the screen there. So that's basically it. You take the two loci that they give you and you sketch that on an Argand diagram, so that if you get more than one solution when you solve the Cartesian equation, you can use the Argand diagram to determine which values you can discard.